How to fix WeChat app unusual network problem. The unusual network error in WeChat can occur due to various reasons such as poor internet connection, outdated app version, or system level issues. Firstly, start by checking internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. If on Wi-Fi, then simply reset the router, or if using mobile data, then turn it off and back on. Also try testing other apps. Ensure other apps can access the internet as well. Then simply update the WeChat app. Visit your device's app store in iOS or Google Play on your Android and check for updates and install the latest version. If there is an update option available right next to your app, tap on it and update the latest version. Now, all you have to do is go to the settings on your mobile device, then simply tap on the general option available there. Now tap on iPhone storage, then look for WeChat and simply tap on it. Now tap on offload app option available there. And once you upload the app, it means that you are clearing the cache and unnecessary files to refresh this app. So that is it. If the issue persists, then all you have to do is simply report this to WeChat system support. So if the problem persists, contact WeChat help center within the app or via their website. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.